Good morning from the Himalayas. Uh, that mountain that you see is Annapurna 2 and Annapurna 4. That's the Tilicho peak. I'm leaving from Upper Pisang, and today I plan to trek till Braga, and that's where I'll be staying tonight. I sort of wasted an hour. I took the wrong trail, which was that, and it goes to a viewpoint. It doesn't go to Braga. So I'm trying to take the right route now to go to on the way to GYARU. After Upper Pisang, the trek starts gaining more altitude, and it goes upwards. I've reached GYARU and I'm treating myself to a small treat. Apple pie, black tea,
German.
German. Yeah, German. It's old houses in GYARU village remind me of villages or homes in Tirthan Valley in Himachal Pradesh. Namaste. Hello. I've reached the village of NAWAL and halfway through to Braga. Reached MAGJE, which is just before Braga, and there is a yak farm here. It's 4:40 and I have finally reached Braga. The other places here were asking for 200 rupees room rent, so I came to this place called Hotel Ice Lake, and this is where I'm going to be staying tonight. So this was my room, and I paid 100 rupees room rent, and I ate food here, and I was sharing this room with another woman, and yeah, I was sharing it with ELIANA. Hello people, good morning from Braga. Today I'm trekking to the Kecho Lake, which is the ice lake, and it's about 8 now, so let's see what time we get there. So the route from Braga is quite well defined. There are signboards that mention the route. Also throughout the whole circuit you'll see these sign, which means that, you know, that is the way ahead. This is the trail and goes even more up. So what they say about the Himalayan weather is pretty true. It can be sunny one moment and then gloomy the next, and it can rain, it can snow. It's very unpredictable. 11 o'clock now, and I started this trek at 8. I took around one 15-minute break. So there is a Ice Lake restaurant here, and they have food. So in case you want to make a stop, Ice Lake is about 30 minutes from here. 5 hours later, I have finally reached the Ice Lake, also known as the Kecho Lake. I'm at the ice, or Kecho Lake, at 4,200 meters altitude, with Annapurna 2 in the background. So I'm eating my lunch break here, and the views are spectacular. It's also windy and cold. So yeah, it is almost 2 p.m. and I'm starting my descent from here to Braga. Looks like today I will have to stay at Manang. I am trekking now to Manang, and I have trekked about 14 kilometers today. So Manang is the pit stop for the night, and these stone carvings or stone formations look so unique, like you've been transported to another world. It reminds me of Spiti and Tibet. Yak crossing. It's 5 p.m. and I have finally reached Manang. There's also a general store here. There is a bakery here that has some the display looks amazing. They have black forest, chocolate cake, veg patties, coconut macaroon, jam cookies, carrot cake, and besides that is the 8-post Manang, where you can buy medicines just in case you're short of any. And there's also like a movie hall or like a projector hall here, and they show these movies. So this is my room, that's my bed, and I'm sharing this with ELIANA. So we're paying 100 rupees each for the bed, and we're at Yak Hotel in Manang.